Welcome to this beautiful 1997 Range Rover, Land Rover. Let me show you inside some of these amazing amenities we have. We got little freak, what is this freaking called? I can't think of the name. Headlights, that's what it is. We got the headlight wipers. Really interesting paint is kind of just chipping away here. Clear coat is going the way of all the earth, but we only bought the car for 600 bucks. All right, let's go take a peek at it.
So I've had this for like 6 years. It started overheating, so I bought a different one. I don't know how to fix it. I tried a couple things. They said maybe there's a bubble in there or something. I filled it up and it runs for like an hour and then it overheats. I mean, it runs, it starts up, it runs, it drives, the transmission is good.
I think this is a beautiful little project. The inside panels are for the most part good. Once again, little chippy action on the clear coat here. This thing is loosey-goosey, twin. Or it's supposed to be like that. It has odds and ends, bibs and bobs. It has a brake line leak that happened today, according to the owner.
It definitely has a bad brake line that just happened. So it definitely needs a brake line.
It also has an overheating issue.
If I was driving, I would stick it in neutral and like coast, and it would go back down again.
Okay. We're gonna see if we can get our little friends over at AAA to tow this puppy back home for us. We're about 50 minutes out, and I don't want Pun to die while he tries to brake and there's no more brake fluid left. It's a nifty little car. Got all the ends and odds to it. The paint for the most part's in okay condition, but in the back it's a little worn. Fiberglass little brackets, I guess. That's kind of cool. I don't know what happened here. But this is also worn down. Looks like little diamonds, little sparkly diamonds on it. But I mean, yeah, look at this. This is the kind of thing we're talking about. Like this clear coat, it's just cooked. But a little sanding down, a little reapplication should bring some luster and some life into it. It's not perfect, but it's 600 bucks, guys. Come on. We bought random junk for more than 600 bucks. We got a full car that drives. It is leaking, baby. More coolant. I think it has a coolant leak, a brake line leak, radiator issue, maybe even a water pump issue. But it's 600 bucks, so you can't really complain too much. This is our new project. This is the Range Rover Retribution. No plates on it either, which we know we have issues with in the past. What are we gonna do about that? I don't want no more problems, man. Well, it's about 12:30ish probably.
Does it work?
No, it doesn't. I'm just guessing because I knew it was like 11:50 last time. The inside's nice, actually. A lot of little bits and bobs on this little puppy. So you got all electric seat controls, levers, doodle bops. I don't even know what that is. It has a bell icon. And an information. I think this thing has onboard AI systems. This is how you open your gas tank to fill it up. Windshield wiper, rear windshield wiper, all the settings here. Headlamps, high beams, low beams. I don't even know what this does. I don't know what this does either. Hazards, I don't know what that does. A random button we can't push. Has an onboard clock. You can tell the time. More buttons. The aftermarket radio. So many options to pick from. Would you even go over here? What is this? Low, so this is it can crawl, baby. All the electric mirrors, all the windows. Meaty freaking handle. This is a gargantuan handle for the parking brake. You can just use this to brake. You just slam on this, you could drift it. This thing is cool too. What is this thing, bro? Temu phone holder, phone charger at the same time kind of thing. It activates when you turn the car on. It lights up like Tony Stark's inventions. A little play in the wheel. All right, so we're gonna see if we can get this car towed because I don't think it's safe to drive 50 minutes to an hour for multiple reasons. It's currently purging all of its brake fluid and most of it's coolant. As you can see, it's bright out and our car just overheated, guys. I think we drove it probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes. This is expected. I mean, we knew this was gonna happen. So now we're letting it cool off. This is kind of what we have to do to get it to where we need to get it so we can fix it. It's nice enough outside though today, so it's not horrible, but we're gonna drive it until it almost overheats, pull it over, let it cool down, same kind of thing, just keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, until we can get into the tow range for AAA. It's about 5 miles out. We're 20 miles out right now, so we're gonna see what we can get done. But I guess it's just time to enjoy nature. You know, it's nice outside. There's freaking freaky bugs out here, man. Freaky out bugs. What the freak? Super bugs are out here. So it can go 5 miles. Well, I mean, this is the life. This is, you know, we just got a little more to go. Twice. We do this 2 more times and then we can get it towed. We're 16 miles away. Well, it overheated again, so now we're waiting for it to not overheat, cool down, and we're looking in to see how hard it is to change the brake lines on it. So that when we eventually get to fixing it, we can fix it. This little mud flap is... Well, I don't know where it's supposed to sit.
Oh, hers just fell out.
It's just barely being held on there.
Fixed it.
So we went another 6 miles, everybody. This is a 1 mile increase, and now we're waiting for it to cool down again. We're at this awesome pub, and we're gonna go give it a taste test, take a little snack break, come back, and it should get us almost there by the time we cool it. Hopefully it's gonna cool down for like a good 30 minutes or whatnot. We should be able to make, I think, the home stretch maybe, or close to it.
Like halfway.
Halfway. So yeah, we're making progress. But let's go take a bite real quick. Well, this is where our Range Rover's new home is going to be. This is where our Range Rover is going to sit for now. It's already kind of late. It took us a long time to get here. We had to take consistent breaks. What was it, 4 or 5 breaks? I think throughout our little journey home. So it took us like, I think almost 2 hours, 2.5 hours. She does have an issue with overheating. Brakes are weird. We're hopefully gonna fix the brake line issue tomorrow. We're gonna go see if we can buy the brake lines tonight. And then tomorrow morning we can come back and we can fix up the brake lines on her. But yeah, she can rest here for now.